As a northerner, what is the North saying about Tinubu?
Honestly, I don't have good reviews. It's really bad. It's really bad.
You think the North will vote for Tinubu?
Maybe 30% or less.
North.
Or less.
It's going to be worse than the last election, 2023?
Oh yeah, it's going to be. It's going to be.
What do you think the chances of Tinubu winning this election on a scale of 1 to 10?
It is going to be the toughest battle that he will ever see. You know, our system is so bad that even if you have good intentions and you get there, it will never work. So anybody that leaves, people are saying Goodluck was better than Buhari. People are saying Buhari is better than Tinubu. That is how it will keep going if we do not fix the system. So it's about the system. It's not even about the people. If the system works, the system will deal with the person. So I think we need to fix that, and we need to put Nigeria first.